depend upon it's always depend
it's always upon it's
simply in love with chokers, not jokers.
Not jokers.
मक्के का राग नहीं, सॉरी, मक्के का साग और सरसों की रोटी.
Sorry.
sorry
इट इज सरसों का साग मक्के की रोटी. Oh my god. The person
person taste if the person breath bad breath.
everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do TMI tag, that is too much information tag, as we have reached 5,000 subscriber and I'm so happy, and this is the perfect time to do this tag. So there are 50 questions in total and I am going to answer them one by one. So let's start this tag. What are you wearing? So I'm wearing a hoodie and a pajama. Yeah. So I'm wearing a hoodie and a pajama. And second question is, ever been in love? Yes, I'm still in love. Third question is, ever had a terrible breakup? No. No, no, no. Fourth question is, how tall are you? I'm 5'6". Fifth question, how much do you weigh? I really need to answer this question, but yes, I'm going to answer this question. I'm 59 right now. Sixth question, any tattoos? No, I don't have any tattoos. So any piercings? I have piercings on my ears. Than I have, like, my ears are pierced. That's it. Nowhere else. OTP, my one true pairing is Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol. Favorite show? I love MasterChef Australia, MasterChef India, Big Boss. However, Big Boss is बहुत low standard हो गया. I really hate that show right now, but I love to watch it before. So, and I don't watch TV dramas like any type of serial, because yes, I don't watch them. And what else? And singing reality shows. I really love singing reality shows, so that's what I like. Favorite bands? I used to love jal bands, जिनके इतने सारे गाने थे, लाइक अब तो आदसी है मुझको ऐसे जीने की, and right now I am in love with Coldplay. I really love that band. Yes. Yeah, Backstreet Boys. I used to love them. Yes, they are. Something message. Something you miss. I miss my childhood. I really miss my childhood. Yes, I miss my childhood. Favorite song? I don't have any favorite song. They keep on changing. So right now, I really love that song from the movie "Ae Dil Hai Mushkil." Channa mere ya, Channa mere ya. Oh my god, I'm feeling so shy. So yes, that's the song which is my recent favorite. How old are you? I really don't want to answer it. Actually, in my previous video, I already answered this question, but I'm 25 right now. 14th question, zodiac sign. So I'm Aquarius. I'm Aquarius and I'm a Capricorn. I really don't know what I am. So in my Janam Kundli, it is written that I'm a Capricorn, means Makar. But if I calculate it according to my birthday, according to my month of birthday, so it would be Aquarius, not aquarium. 15th question, quality you look for in a partner. I already have a partner. I always wanted him to be loyal, that what he is, and the one who जो मुझे दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार करे, मीन्स उसके मेरे अलावा उसकी लाइफ में और कोई भी, मतलब कि ऐसा ना हो कि वो सबसे ज़्यादा मुझसे प्यार करे. सो इसे इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करना मेरे लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल था. और ऑनेस्ट हो, सो दैट व्हाट ही इज़. और बहुत केयरिंग हो, वो भी बहुत है. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स, और जो मुझे मिल भी गई हैं. सो फेवरेट कोट इज लिव एंड लेट लिव. Favorite actor. Shah Rukh Khan. I love Shah Rukh Khan. And right now, in a younger batch, I really love Ranveer Singh. Favorite color, I love black and red. So these are the two colors, and मैं इनमें से दोनों में से एक नहीं choose कर सकती, तो I really love black and red. So the next question is loud music or soft music. It's always depend on my mood. Yes. Where do you go when you are sad? When I'm sad, what I do? Yes, when I'm sad, I go for shopping. And when I'm very means I'm very sad, like very emotional, I sit on my bed and cry. And if I'm only sad, I will go for shopping. 21st question. How long does it take you to shower? 5 to 15 minutes. And in case I have to wash my hair, it might be about half an hour. Yes. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? I really don't love to get ready in morning. So if I have to go somewhere, I maximally take 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. 23rd question. Have ever been in a physical fight? No, not with someone which is outside my home. I have been मैंने अपने भाई बहन से बहुत लड़ाई करती थी, like नाखून से नोचना and everything. So yes, turn on fragrance. And I love that the person who is beside me or around me should smell good. And what else I want? Yeah, so that's the only point which turns me on, and the person should be loyal, honest, and I turn off if bad breath and bad smell. So yes, so this is something which a turn off for me. And the person who say lie, I really don't like the person who in regularity of saying lie. That I really don't like that type of person. The sixth, the reason I joined YouTube. So there is no specific reason, as I earlier told you. So there is no specific reason behind joining YouTube. It is very sudden. And yes, it is very sudden, so there is no specific reason behind joining YouTube. 27th question, fears. Yes, I am a water phobic. I used to love water some time back, but I think I shared an incident with you. After that incident, I really hate water. I'm a water phobic, and I always have a fear. I don't know why ये fear मेरे अंदर रहता है कि मैं कुछ काम कर रही हूँ तो मुझे कोई आगे पीछे से मार देगा. पता नहीं ये क्या रहता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है जैसे मैं कभी खाना बना रही हूँ, कुछ बना रही हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि कोई मेरे सिर पे अटैक करेगा. ये फियर है मेरे अंदर. आई रियली डोंट नो वाई. लास्ट थिंग यू दैट मेड यू क्राई. I think, hold on. So I recently cried for. I was watching a reality show, sorry, not reality show. And उसमें जो फादर आते हैं या मदर आती हैं, जो बच्चे इमोशनल होते हैं, या कुछ थोड़ा वैसा सा सीन होता है. So I think recently I cried. Yes, recently I cried for some show. I really don't remember. Maybe 2-3 days back. Last time you said you loved someone, like in the evening to my husband. Meaning behind your YouTube name. So I think everybody can guess it. It is Chandni. Chandni is my name. Beauty Zone. Beauty Zone include everything related to makeup, beauty, and DIY, everything. And now it is a vlogging channel too. So Chandni Beauty Zone. So the 31 question is last book you read. I don't think so I have read anything. I think I read a newspaper in the morning. So I don't think so. I really don't remember any book right now because it's been a long time that I have read something. The book you currently reading? No, I'm a bad girl. So the next question is last show you watched. It was yesterday, Big Boss at 10:30 p.m. Last person you talked to my husband. The relationship between you and the person you last texted. I last texted my father, so he is my father. 36 favorite food. I really love chole bhature and the North Indian food and South Indian food. I really love idli, dosa, sambar, chawal and sambar vada, and I really love chole bhature and मक्के का राग नहीं, sorry, मक्के का साग और सरसों की रोटी. Sorry, it is सरसों का साग मक्के की रोटी. Oh my god. So yes, सरसों का साग मक्के की रोटी. So the next question is favorite place you want to visit. Please don't trouble me, bozo. Place you want to visit. I really want to visit Australia, Sydney. I really want to visit Australia. And there I want to visit Sydney. I really don't know why, but I want to visit Australia. Last place you were, I were at home only, and if outside home, I think in the sabzi market. Oh my god, in the sabzi market. Do you have a crush? So he is my crush. He is my crush. Last time you kissed someone, yes, he is the one. Like I think half an hour before, in his on his forehead. Last time you were insulted, no one dare to insult me, I think, in my home or anywhere. I don't think so. So not insulted. Favorite play. Oh my god, what type of question was that? Last time you were insulted, something very different. Favorite flavor of sweets. I really love rasgulla, rasmalai, jalebi, and gajar ka halwa, aate ka halwa. I really love these things. Favorite instrument do you play? I really don't play anything, and I don't know how to play anything. मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है. Favorite piece of jewelry. I'm recently in love with chokers, not jokers, chokers. Last sport you played with him, पकड़ो पकड़ो पकड़ो, like वो socks लेके भाग रहा था और मैं उसे पकड़ रही थी, तो that was the last game sport I played. 47th question. The last song you sang. चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या मेरे. I think यही मैंने last week गाया था. Have you ever 47th question. Favorite chat up line. So I think, hi, what's up? Have you ever used it? Yes, I normally use it. Last time you hung out with anyone? With my husband. The last question. Question here is whom do I want to tag? Means मैं किसको tag करना चाहती हूँ? Everybody जो मुझे देख रहा है, जो यूट्यूबर है और जिसने अभी तक की tag नहीं किया है, I'm tagging them. Yes, I'm tagging all of them right now. So yes. So यहाँ पे हम लोग ख़त्म करते हैं अपना TMI tag. Too much information. And that's all for today. I hope you like it, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up and follow me on all my social media links. You can see वो क्या कर रहा है, वो दरवाज़ा खुरच रहा है. So you can follow me on all my social media links which are in the description box. Until unless, bye.